Don't. No. You going to church with me and Uncle Bob?
When?
We're gonna go 4:30. Then we go home. All right.
We're going?
Yeah. You don't want to go, Stan?
Oh, okay, okay.
Just want to go in the morning. Just hang out in the morning. So, what's the... Watch out.
Getting the cords?
Huh?
You getting the cords here?
What am I got? Get?
You getting these cords? Where are you putting them?
I'm putting them in the back of the pickup truck. Hey, Dad, is Mom in the house?
Yeah. He's in the... He was in this movie that Tom and I rented. Or no, I think Mary Alice and I looked at it together one weekend when Mary Alice was
Where's my little press?
and he's
The black
his
and red
grandfather.
one.
The wife is just passed
You
away.
no, take it out of the shed and put it on the porch. Huh? What are you saying? Oh, tell her to take it up and put it on the porch upside down.
I'm not, I plead the fifth. What? No comment.
Okay.
Speed it up. Let's go, Bob.
You want me to go faster?
No, you're fine the way you're doing it. You can even lean it on top of there, you know, make it easier for
You reading at church today?
No, I'm not reading until the end of the month.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
December?
Yeah, the last Sunday in December.
You got the December one?
The last Sunday in December, Mom, 9 o'clock.
Jesus.
Where is it? Where is that? Am I on it for December?
I'm talking about me, liturgical reader.
Jeez, someone's
I don't
showing
know
some
what
attitude.
you're doing.
What time is it?
Did you get the thing for December?
Yes.
Where is it?
It's upstairs in my room.
I want to see it. Is that the
I
one I
thought
got?
you'd get yours from Megan in the mail and all that. She takes
Right.
care of you.
Can I just look at it, for God's sake?
Yeah,
Bobby? Give
okay,
me a
all right,
break.
all right. I just thought that you were taken care of by Megan. Are you filming this? I don't want this. I plead the fifth.
Get out of here with this. What language are you speaking anyway?
Law, my friend. The fifth means the Fifth Amendment.
Bobby.
Fifth Amendment is history.
Hey, Bob.
It means you have the right
Hey,
not,
Bob.
to not incriminate myself.
Is Linda still downstairs? Well, I want her to have this.
Stan, see that brush on the over there on the floor? What do you have?
This?
He wants this brush.
Oh, the brush?
Nobody knew that was called fish.
I did. Friend of me.
Just connect the
Facebook.
what you call it, Joe? Spark plug? Yeah.
Okay.
Lawn. You're brushing the lawnmower?
Are you watching? Yeah, well, I do it too. I did it before I put mine away.
I hose it usually, but I put my hoses away yesterday.
Is Mommy done with that thing?
No, she wants it up on the porch.
Does she want it like right now?
Yeah, she wants to eat. Yeah, I don't think anything else.
What do you want? I want to be left alone.
Bob.
I wish to be left alone.
Get your name on your water bottle.
Yeah.
Bob.
I've got nothing to say. I'm speechless. It was really a full-blown firecracker, reflaking, flaking, fluking kind of time. Then it did settle down into a harmonious pitch, and now it's back to its little craziness.
What are you talking about?
I'm just talking about people yelling at one another.
B-Minix 3, Bob Minnick. You got any last words, Jersey?
Thanks for helping out there, Funny Thaddeus. You're a good boy, a good man, and a good son. I love you very much. Watch tomorrow. I'm going to be making my videos, definitely. I promise. I will make a video.